My name is Germany Lancaster. I'm from Newark, New Jersey. In Newark, the arts community is absolutely underserved, and there's not much room for growth. When a friend told me about Shift, I was a bit skeptical. Now, it feels like being accepted into Shift was fate. From agency to agency over the weeks, I was schooled on the ins and outs of the creative industries. It was very new to me, and I questioned how I could belong in these spaces, but I didn't let my insecurities stop me from attending. Throughout the program, I had a lot going on personally and professionally, but I just kept showing up. And before I knew it, it was the final showcase day, and I had my work in front of recruiters from some of the most amazing agencies in New York. This journey has taught me the power of presence. Shift started with me showing up for others to prove I had talent, and ended up with me showing up for myself to prove I had passion. The journey from New Jersey to New York City every day, the bag of groceries and 5-pound laptop on the MTA twice a week, these things were tough, and I can't believe I made it through such an intensive program, and I'm so proud of myself that I did. I've come so far in such a short amount of time. Maybe it's a testament that some things get tough, but at all times you're right where you're supposed to be.